Couldn't find anything at GameStop. We're gonna go to Robert right after this. Crucifix, Nightmare Chica. You guys, you know, I'm not alone here. The person who's videoing it, if you, my mom is videoing you guys. I know, and I'm not saying that to you. I know you guys know that. I'm just telling you. We're back from Walmart and we're gonna open these things. Let's start with evolutions. Okay. Kakuna, Pidgey Spirit Link, Trainer, Staryu, Seal, Charmander, Magmar, is that right? Hitmonchan, and Rattata. Oh wait, we gotta Hitmonchan. This is good. Yay! Well, that's good for the first one. Let's put it in the great pile. Okay, now let's get to Sun and Moon. What, Mommy?
How you?
Passamim. Sorry if I get that wrong. I know I did.
Just read it the best you can.
Rotomdex, Rowlet, Drowsy, Cocoonfly, Cutiefly. I know I'm gonna get this wrong. Makuhita, Snuffle, Energy Switch, and Beware. And the energy.
Okay.
That's all for this pack. Oh wait, I forgot to show the code. And it's a green pack. But I still got some really good things. So let's put that hollow that we get into it right there. Right here. Our good pile. Okay. Now we're going to Fates Collide. As you know, is the second one to Steam Siege. The best card in the world. Hey, yeah. One of the worst ones, actually. Here's a code. Special energy. Kingo. Sorry if I got that wrong, guys. Fairy Drop. Volbeat. No, I got that wrong. Burmy. Coffee. Meowth. Larvitar.
Oh, that's cool.
Rainbow. Energy thing, I don't know.
That's neato. Random receiver.
Serapine.
Superior.
That's all for that pack.
Okay.
Let's get to the last pack. Let's see if we can get some last pack magic. Steam Siege, the best one in the world. The best one. Okay, special energy. I'm sorry, guys, that if you hear Otis in the back, he's just crazy. Meantime, Clink, Ponyta, Pollen, Oshito, Volguns,
Fungus,
Fastum, and the
Okay.
Fennels.
Show your big card.
I got this, and we're almost done. I need to show. Here's the white code. down to the last two things. As you know, this is a Caesar EX box. Caesar EX box. What would it be without the cards? This is the little card. And get ready for the big card. Can you see that all the way?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Well, thanks for watching my new my first time getting my own video. See you tomorrow. Bye.